Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Operating Systems BTU Question Paper Jan 2024 solution. We are going to discuss a problem under LRU Page Replacement Algorithm. Question number 7b. Consider the following page reference string. They have given the reference string. How many page faults would occur for LRU, FIFO and Optimal Page Replacement Algorithms? Assume here frame size is 3. It's a 12-mark question. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about LRU page replacement algorithm. So, LRU is nothing but least recently used page replacement algorithm. So, in page replacement algorithm, what do you mean by page fault in the sense? Whenever process needs to execute, the required pages you need to bring into main memory. So, here in the main memory, if the reference page is available in the sense, that is the reference string is available in the sense, that is called page hit. Whatever the page you want to refer, if it is available in main memory in the sense, that is called page hit. Suppose if the reference page is not available in main memory in the sense, that is called page fault. So whenever page fault happens, you need to select one page in the main memory. You need to select one page as the victim page, and that page should be replaced by the current reference page. Okay, that victim page, how we are going to select in the sense, there are three algorithms: FIFO page replacement algorithm, LRU page replacement algorithm, and optimal page replacement algorithm. Now in this session, we will discuss LRU page replacement algorithm. So the victim page we will select based on least recently used. That is, here we have to check the past string. In the past string, which one is least recently used? That page you have to select as a victim page to replace. So the replacement in the sense, select the victim page, swap out the victim page from the main memory to the secondary memory, and the reference page, currently what you are going to use, that page you need to swap in from the secondary memory to the main memory. This process you have to do it whenever page fault occurs. If it is a page hit in the sense, the reference page is available in main memory, so no need to do anything. Now this is the given reference string. So the page reference string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. So this is the given reference string. Okay. Now initially, and this is frame number 1, this is frame number 2, and this one is frame number 3. Okay. So here initially how many frames is there? That many page fault initially for all the algorithm it will happen, because nothing will be in main memory when the process execution starts. Okay. So initially whichever page it requires, obviously you need to swap in from the secondary memory to main memory. So here only 3 frames is available. So first reference string is 1, this page is not available. Consider this as a page fault. Page fault in the sense you have to use this cross mark. Okay. So bring in into main memory, that is swap in. Next reference page is 2, it is not available. So swap in into the main memory. This is also a page fault. Okay. Then next reference string is 3, that is also not available in main memory. So swap in. Now it is in frame number 3. This is also a page fault. Next reference string is 4. Now all the 3 frames are full. Okay. Now you have to select one page as a victim page, because the current reference page is 4. It is not available in main memory. You need to swap in into the main memory. To which frame you need to swap in? You have to select one frame as a victim frame. From that frame, you need to swap out the particular page and then swap in this page 4. Okay. So here, least recently used in the sense, this is the current reference string. 3 is recently used. Next recently used is 2. And then least recently used is 1. Okay. So with this current reference string, you have to check the past. Recent, next recent, least recent. Okay. So obviously victim page is 1. So swap out from main memory to the secondary memory and swap in page 4 in place of 1. So 4, 2, 3, this is also page fault because the reference page is not available. Okay. Next to 2, it is available in main memory. So this will be considered as a page hit. So 4, 2, 3. And 1, this page is not available in main memory. You need to select one page as the victim page. So consider 1. Recently used is 2. Next recently used is 4. So obviously least recently used is 3. 3 is the victim page. Replace with 1. So 4, 2, 1, and this is also page fault. Next reference page is 5. That is not available in any of these 3 frames. So you need to select a victim page. Okay. So 5 if you are considering, recently used is 1, next recently used, and least recently used is 4. So now the victim page is 4. Replace with 5. 5, 2, 1. And this is also page fault. Next, 6. It is not available in any of these 3 frames. So victim page, how you will select? Current reference string is 6. You need to check from that reference string towards past. So recently used is 5. Next recently used is 1. So least recently used is 2. So 2 is the victim page. Replace with 6. So 5, 6, 1. And this is also page fault. Next to 2. 2 is not available in any of these 3 frames. So from this current string, if you are checking the past, recently used is 6, next recently used is 5, least recently used is 1. So 1 is the victim page, replace with 2. So 5, 6, 2, and this is also page fault. And the next reference string is 1. 1 is not available. You need to select victim page. So 2 is recently used. Next recently used is 6. So least recently used is 5. Replace 5 with 1. 1, 6, 2. This is also page fault. Next reference string is 2. 2 is available in frame number 3. So this will be considered as page hit. So no need to do anything. The required page is available in main memory. Okay. Only if the required page is not available in the sense, in that case only you need to select one page as the victim page to replace. Next is 3. 3 is not available here. So victim page, how you will select? From 3, you have to check the past. 2 is recently used. 1 is next recently used. Next 2 is there. Next least recently used is 6. So select 6 as the victim page and replace with 3. So 1, 3, 2, and this is page fault. 7, it is not available. Recently used is 2 and 3. 1 is least recently used. Replace with 7. Now it is 7, 3, 2. And this is also page fault. Next is 6. This is not available in any of these 3 frames. So recently used is 7 and 3. So 2 is the victim page. Least recently used. Replace 2 with 6. Now 7, 3, 6. And this is page fault. 3, it is available in main memory. So no need to do anything. And this will be considered as page hit. Next to 2, it is not available in any of these 3 frames. So from 2, if you are checking the past, recently used is 3 and 6. 7 is the victim page, least recently used. Replace 7 with 2. Now 2, 3, 6, you will get it. This will be a page fault. Next reference string is 1. 1 is not available in any of these 3 frames. Recently used is 2 and 3. So 6 is least recently used. Replace 6 with 1. 2, 3, 1, you will get it. This is also page fault. Next reference string is 2. 2 is available in main memory. So no need to do anything. This will be considered as a page hit. 3 is available in main memory. No need to do anything. And this will also be considered as page hit. And 6, it is not available in any of these 3 frames. So from 6, if you are checking, 3 is recently used. Next recently used is 2. So least recently used is 1. Replace with 6. Now you will get 2, 3, 6 in 3 frames. And this is also page fault. Now we have considered all the reference strings. Next you need to find the page hit ratio and page fault ratio. So how many page fault is there here? So page fault, if you are considering, it is 4, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 page fault. Okay. And the page hit, if you are considering in the sense, obviously 20 reference string is there here. They have given 20 reference string. Remaining 5 is page hit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, you need to find page fault ratio and page hit ratio. So page fault ratio, how you will find? Number of page fault divided by number of reference string. So how many reference string they have given here? It is 20 into 100. So number of page fault is 15 divided by number of reference string is 20 into 100. So you will get it as 75%. So page fault ratio, if you are considering, it is 75%. And page hit ratio, how you will find? Similar formula only, that is number of page hit divided by number of reference string into 100. So here number of page hit is 5 divided by number of reference string is 20 into 100. So here you will get it as 25%. So here in this case also, for this given reference string, page fault ratio is very high, 75%. For the same reference string, we have implemented FIFO algorithm also. In that, page fault ratio is 80%. So comparatively, FIFO page fault ratio is very high, and the next is least recently used algorithm. Here also page fault ratio is 75%. So this is the logic of LRU page replacement algorithm for implementing the given page reference string. Thank you for watching this video.